Have you completed 1K subscribers and 4K watch hours? And do you want to get approved for monetization within one day? Then you are at the right place. Hi all, welcome back to another video. Myself Jinjijo and you're watching Creative Lab. In today's video, I'll be showing how to apply for monetization when you reach the required threshold of 1000 subscribers and 4000 public watch hours on your YouTube channel. And I will be solving all the possible errors while going through these steps. And these are the simple steps which I did to get monetized within one day. So watch till the end so that you will not miss any piece of information. So before getting late, let's get started. Once you have signed in to your YouTube account, all you have to do is click on your videos. Then scroll down and click on monetization. Then you will go to channel monetization page where you will see the new blue button down below which you all are waiting for. But before clicking the apply now button, you should get the confirmation mail from YouTube. Now click on the apply now button and you have opened the door to your monetization, where you will see 3 steps, which is review partner program, sign up for Google AdSense and get reviewed. Now let's start the first step. For that, click on the start icon. Here you can either read the whole thing or just scroll down and give a tick mark and head towards accept terms. Now you have completed the first step. Now the second step is to create or link your Google AdSense account for receiving the payment. Now click on start. Then click on proceed to verify that this account belongs to you. But if you are using an ad blocker in your browser, you will end up to this error. In order to get rid of it, all you have to do is just go to browser settings, site permission, ads, and you have to disable the ad blocker, and that's it. Now you have to link your AdSense account. For that, click on the box showing on the screen. If you already have an AdSense account, click on the first option, and if you wanted to create new one, choose the second option. Now click on continue and choose any of the email address to create your new AdSense account. One thing you have to keep in mind is that the selected email address must be someone's whose age is 18 or above. Otherwise, you will end up to this error message. Now you have reached to another page where you can see your channel URL. Below, just click on no, and here choose the country in which you are living. And in my case, I am from India. And let me know from which country you are watching this video in the comment section. Now accept the agreement and click on create account. And finally you have created your AdSense account. Now just skip this one and get started. Now in this page you have to enter your real name and address. Just click on individual and enter your real name, not the channel name. Consider to give the exact name and address which is mentioned in your PAN card or voter ID, because they use this name and address to send you the PIN verification letter later. And after entering everything, just click on submit. Now everything is done from our side, and click on redirect so that you will go to channel monetization page again. Now you can see the second step is in progress, and now you have to wait for 8 hours for the activation of your Google AdSense account. 8 hours later. Now you can see the second step done successfully and started the final step automatically. If you want, I will be making a detailed video about what all things we have to do before applying for monetization later. So just consider to subscribe this channel and turn on the bell icon. After 9 hours, I got a mail from YouTube saying that my YouTube channel has been accepted into YouTube Partner Program and is now able to monetize on YouTube. And that's it. And for me, the whole procedures have been done within 1 day. And let me know how long it took to get approved your YouTube channel for monetization in the comment section. And the ads will be displayed within 2 or 3 days after enabling all the monetization green dollar sign in every video. So that's all about today's video, and I hope you all enjoyed. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, and if you are new here, just consider to subscribe. And I will also making a detailed video about what all things we have to do before applying for monetization. So stay tuned and peace. Only on Creative Lab.